In this video, we are going to walk through the steps to take to install a translation extension to your Chrome browser. There are many of these extensions available and most of them are free. You can find one you like through a Google search. Once you find an extension, simply click on it from your Google results and you'll be brought to a page like this. Then click Add to Chrome. You'll be asked to confirm, so click Add Extension. And then you'll see that the extension is added in the upper right-hand corner by the puzzle piece icon. The puzzle piece stores all of your extensions. Before we test out the translator, let's set our options. So we're going to click on our puzzle piece. Then for Google Translate, we're going to select the 3 vertical dots. Then we're going to click Options. On this page, set your primary language or the language you want text translated into. I'm going to select Spanish for this example. Save. And now let's give it a shot in Navigator. To use the translation extension, highlight the text you want translated. Then come up to your puzzle piece, click on it, and click on Google Translate. We can see here the English version of the text is the same as the text on the screen, and we're now provided with a Spanish version or translation of the text. We can also hear it read aloud by clicking on the megaphone icon.
¿Qué camino te puede llevar de la escuela a la biblioteca?